Good morning, traders. We have Wednesday, the 25th of January, and you can already see the damage that is taking place in this early session. We are already under S2, and the bigger number is all the way down, probably to 200, which is also S3 at 39.70. If we get there, you're going to have to pay attention to that location and whether or not, the institutions are going to come in and hold this market up there, or they're going to let this thing collapse. It could go down as low as 39.44 in the next day or two if earnings keep rolling to the downside. And 39.44 is where this thing broke out on Thursday. So, these are key areas. The Nasdaq, this trend line was broke, and the Nasdaq really was showing signs of fairly good structure. And the market as a whole probably is still holding can hold up here, here, and here, and still be good to go back up. So, this might just be temporary. We're gonna have to see how this plays out today. It's still early in the session, but you can see once again we failed S2. That's not a good sign for now. So they're looks like they're trying to jam this, and they might want to jam the overnight, shorts, push them further, get everybody in, take it down to the 200 and run them back up. I don't know. We're gonna have to see. Or is this just where we're at? This is how the market's been for a couple months now, and almost half a year. Look at these huge swings, and it's just continuously overreaction. Every time we get over 4,000 and we struggle to hold it, something comes out, and then the panic comes back the other way. And then all of a sudden we reach the huge support level, and nobody really wants to roll them over. So there's a lot of indecision in the market. You got a lot of retail traders pushing this thing around. You got to be careful. And this is why we pay attention to these extreme areas and why I constantly talk about them. These are opportunities for you to make fairly good money on your trades. So see how this thing plays out. It's a little early. We're going to have to see whether or not they bust this low out and make a way to the 200, and lean off this S2 for now and pay attention to your volume spikes. There's opportunity longs if you get them. If I look at the other markets, I would pay attention. You can see right here that the Nasdaq spiking off of this MA right here, which is around 11,650. We're pretty close to it. They could come all the way down to the support line before they find any support. And that's around 11,580. And the Dow, like I said, you know, that's not really that significant, but I'd have to recalculate those support levels. I'm not sure where that comes in. Um, once again, they're kind of pushing in this moving average area, so we just have to see how this all plays out. It's a little early in the session, traders, so pay attention. Be careful. Watch 200. Don't get caught up in it. There could be a decision-making location. It's either going to hold or they're going to unfold this thing pretty harsh. So good luck with your trading. Be careful.